Whoa! Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Let it fight. Let it fight. Let it fight.
Slow spin. I like the slow spin. Got him! Got him, honey! He's big! He's big! He's big! Look at that one, dude. Woo! Walter, baby. Hooked three points of action there. 3 points of contact. Actually won.
Nice and secure. As you can tell, this has been the
hot hole?
The hot hole.
Yeah, you got. That was cool. Another good one. Not small. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Look at that. That's sweet. Good smallie. It's not too cold out. It's about freezing, so they're all right to get on the ice like that. Yeah, that's cool though. That's 3 drops and 3 smallies. Look at the color of that thing, dude. Nice. It's got like some orange on them right here. Pretty fish.
Yeah. Okay.
Missed that one. That one seems small. Well, big. Here it comes. Big. Big, 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 big. Good fish. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that, dude. That's just crazy. Whoa! It's coming up out of the hole. That's fun. Not as big as I thought, but dude, these things fight like crazy on a jig rod. That's cool.
Piled in here.
Choked that spoon. Oh boy. What is it? Hey! Hey! Smalley. Another good one. Carrie, what is that? Scared of it. Yahoo. Really nice red smallmouth bass. Get her right back in. Carrie? Here, Carrie. Howdy fellow folks, back out here today on the ice. Got a little sketchy there for a little bit, got real cold again, so we got good ice again. Nice hard stuff with the man himself here. They call him Bradley. Okay, I follow you. Yep, it's weird. I know.
Right there. There it is. Look at pike. That's cool.
Oh, there goes the shiner.
I seen him over there too. It was a sucker. I was like, he lost. Where's the shiner?
Musky pike.
Musky pike.
Oh, boy.
That was my finger in the. No, that was
What
from
the
the hole.
heck?
That was just for me, I think.
No.
Nope.
It's got 2 of them.
It's gonna take
He
off.
just dropped it.
No, it'll take off.
Whoa,
Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Let it fight. Let it fight. Let it fight. That's not a very big hook. That's a good northern. It's fine. Let it fight. Let it fight.
My shit.
Let it fight.
It's a musky.
Let it fight though.
I know. I can't. I'm trying. My
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
There.
Don't pull too hard
it's a
though.
musky.
Don't pull hard.
I know. I'm trying.
Cause it's gonna come to the hole right here. No, let it run.
Good fish.
It's a nice pike.
I think it's a musky, Brad.
If it's a musky,
I'm pretty positive it's a musky.
If it's a musky, it is. It is, dude. This is a musky. Yeah, let it fight. Let it fight. Don't pull it now. Just let it fight. How's it hooked?
I got him. Here.
Yeah.
Just film that shit.
I am. Yeah, you're good. Just let him do it. He's gonna let him go. He's gonna go again. Dude, we got one. I don't even care now. We seen her. Let her go.
I was hoping for a big pike.
And it's not gonna open her jaw. So you know when it does that, where it spreads it, when it opens it, then that's when you do it. I'm on it. She's hooked good too. So right here when it opens. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Get that under the ice. Like when she's doing this. Right here. Can you see it or no? Holy.
There you go. You got her. Get her.
Oops.
Oh my God.
Alrighty, folks. We got a musky.
Dude. Spotty.
On a tip.
That's what we do. That's what we do. Fly right.
Good fish.
Mhm.
Quick show of this guy.
Amazing. Spotted.
Very pretty fish.
Barred.
Very good fish.
Barred.
Yep.
That's what we need.
Get it right back in.
Uh-huh.
There we go. Look at that guy.
Wow. Dude, the leopardness.
Yeah, look at that tail. Here. Spinning. Don't lose it. Walleye. Another nice pike in our shallow ice spot. We got people setting up walleye tips to it, right? Ooh.
Yeah, nice one, dude. That's a nice one.
They're fat. A lot of pike here this year. That was cool.
That's a good pike.
See that guy. See this guy right here. See how he's doing. Oh, that's a fatty. See that guy.
That's a good one.
That's a nice pike.
That's a great pike. I'll take that.
Pike at night. Pike at night. Get to it. Don't lose it. Look at. Whoa.
Who is it?
Whoa.
Calico.
Two-tone.
Calico.
Need this?
Yep. I don't need the big ones right now, you know?
Yep.
Pike. Look at the color on her. That's
is
cool.
neat. Let me see again.
We've seen fish like this before. I don't know why it's like that. Don't know why, you know?
That is strange.
That's a question to be asked. No
That's
one
a
will be able to
question
answer.
There we go. Oh, he's stubby.
Yeah, that's a stubby one.
Look at that belly on that thing.
Yeah, the fish are coming in.
Nice gut on her.
We were gonna move that tip up. We're not gonna move it now.
No. Gotta go get the minnows though.
Yeah, that's a long hike.
Get close, Blake. I got it zoomed. Whew. Horn. Family of deer in the woods by the fake deer. First fish of the day, a mud puppy. It's not even a fish, it's a salamander, but. And first fish on Bradley's jaw jacker. Bradley's jaw jacker.
You got the J's going.
Yep.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, get him, buddy. That's what we're having. Dude, that's what we're having bite us. Guaranteed. Guaranteed, dude. That's awesome.
My goodness. This is the one that broke me off.
Is it?
Yeah, we got Wonder Bread in this.
Awesome.
Look at.
That is so cool.
We got Wonder Bread down there.
Dude, that's awesome.
And we got double Wonder Bread. We're not getting the other Wonder Bread back.
That's awesome. Okay, the trans. What I'm not, but.
Yeah.
All right.
I got the other one out.
Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah, baby Walter. He broke me off. We got big walleyes down there.
Yeah, we're gonna keep going.
Yep. Here. If you can give me the camera. You shine it. That's cool though, dude.
There's a lot bigger one.
Yeah, baby. There she is.
Be able to see it.
I got it.
Yeet.
Big old Walter.
Yep, that's awesome. On a tip up.
Yeah.
Probably just sitting there. We got a lot more bigger fish here.
I have
right
a giant fish on.
Yep. That's a good one.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy. Here, take that. Get that bended.
Hold on. 1 second.
Look at that.
I need that big light. That's what I need.
Yep. That was cool. This one's coming up, I think. There was.
Big bend.
Oh yeah, buddy.
I'm gonna get that thing in after a little bit here too. I gotta get that tip up in.
Yeah, do it. And then yeah.
Sturgeon.
Sturgeon.
Night demon.
Yup. All right, there you go.
Back down.
Yup. That was cool, dude.
That was so cool.
No.